Good morning, students. Today let us learn the second chapter in mathematics, factors and multiples. In the previous year, we have studied the basic ideas about factors and multiples. In this chapter, we shall learn these ideas in detail. What is factor or what is multiple? A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. What is factor? A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. For example, if we take 12, this 12 has multiplication factors, that is 1 into 12. 1 into 12 is 12 and 2 into 6 is 12. 3 into 4 is also 12. So these are the factors of 12. So if you arrange in order, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12 because these numbers are exactly divisible. Like a factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. 12 is exactly divisible by these numbers. 12 is exactly divisible by 2. And we get 6 as the quotient and remainder we get 0. 12 is exactly divisible by 3. We get the quotient 4 and the remainder 0. So that's why we say a factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. And what is multiple then? A number is said to be a multiple of any of its factors. A number is said to be a multiple of any of its factors. 12 is a multiple of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12 and 12 is a multiple of these factors. Because 1 into 12 is 12. 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. 3 multiplied by 4 is also 12. So once again, a factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number and a number is said to be a multiple of any of its factors. I hope it is clear to you. If a number x divides a number y exactly, then x is called a factor of y and y is called a multiple of x. If a number x divides a number y exactly, then x is called a factor of y and y is called a multiple of x. Remember, 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. If we take any number, for example, if we take 2, what are the factors of 2? 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. So the factors are 1 and 2. So 1 is a factor of every number and the number itself is also a factor. And 1 will be the smallest factor and the number itself will be the highest factor. Various types of numbers. We had already learned these things like even numbers. What are even numbers? All multiples of 2 are called even numbers. All multiples of 2 are called even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. These are the multiples of 2 and they are called even numbers. Then what is odd numbers? Odd numbers, numbers that are not multiples of 2. Numbers that are not multiples of 2 are called odd numbers. That is 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Now we shall learn what is prime numbers. Prime numbers, numbers that have only 2 factors. Just now we saw one example like 12. 12 has how many factors? 1 into 12, 2 into 6 3 into 4. So the factors were 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So it has many factors. But there are some numbers which has only 2 factors. For example, if we take 2, 2 is having only 2 factors, that is 1 and 2. And let us take 3. It has also only 2 factors, that is 1 and 3. 1 and 3. But 4 has 1 into 4, 2 into 2. So 1, 2, 4. It has 3 factors, so it is not a prime number. 5 is a prime number because it has also only 2 factors, 1 and 5. So I hope it is clear to you. What are prime numbers? Numbers that have only 2 factors, 1 and itself, are called prime numbers. What are prime numbers, children? Numbers that have only 2 factors, that is 1 and itself, are called prime numbers. Examples of prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. Next is composite numbers. Numbers having more than 2 factors. Numbers having more than 2 factors are known as composite numbers. In another words, we can say numbers other than prime numbers are called composite numbers. In another way, numbers other than prime numbers. So prime number means it has only 2 factors. Composite numbers means the numbers that have more than 2 factors. Examples: 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, etc. These are the numbers that have more than 2 factors. Some important facts to remember. 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. 2 is the lowest even number. 2 is the lowest. Lowest means smallest even number. 1 is the smallest odd number. 1 is the smallest or lowest odd number. 2 is the smallest prime number. Which is the smallest prime number? 2. And which is the smallest composite number? That is 4. 4 is the smallest composite number. Remember, 2 is the only even prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. All other even numbers are composite numbers. All other even numbers are composite numbers other than 2. 2 is a prime number. Then what is twin primes? 2 consecutive odd prime numbers are known as twin primes. 2 consecutive odd prime numbers are known as twin primes. Pairs of twin primes between 1 and 100 are 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 29, 31, 41, 43, 59, 61, 71, 73. Twin primes, once again, 2 consecutive odd prime numbers are known as twin primes. Then what is prime triplet? Triplet, the word itself, we know it is something connected with the 3. A set of 3 consecutive prime numbers differing by 2. A set of 3 consecutive prime numbers differing by 2 is called a prime triplet, and the only prime triplet is 3, 5, 7. This is the only prime triplet, 3, 5, 7. Co-primes. Next is co-primes. 2 numbers are said to be co-prime if they do not have a common factor other than 1. 2 numbers are said to be co-prime if they do not have a common factor other than 1. If we take example of 2 numbers like 2 and 3. And what is the common factor here? What are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. What are the factors of 3? 1 and 3. And what is common here? 1. And let us take the example of 3 and 4. What are the factors of 3? 1 and 3. What are the factors of 4? 1, 2, 4. And what is common here? It is only 1. Same way 4 and 5, 4, 9, 8, 15. These are some examples. You can find more examples. So these numbers, pair numbers are called co-primes because they do not have only one common factor, that is 1. Then 2 prime numbers are always co-primes. 2 prime numbers are always co-primes, but 2 co-primes need not be prime numbers. Examples are given below. Go through it clearly. If you have doubt, you can ask me. 6 and 7 are co-primes. 6 and 7 are co-primes, while 6 is not a prime number. 6 is not a prime number because 6 has more than 2 factors. But 7 is a prime number because 7 is having only 2 factors. Same way 9 and 10 are also co-primes because the common factor is only 1, while none of 9 and 10 is a prime number. So once again I am saying 2 prime numbers are always co-primes. 2 co-primes need not be prime numbers. I hope you are understanding it. Then we have perfect numbers. What is perfect number? If the sum of all the factors of number is twice the number. See, we have a number. If we have a number and we find out all the factors of that and add all these factors, then it should be equal to twice, 2 times the given number. Then this number is called a perfect number. If the sum of all the factors of a number is 2 times the given number, then the number is called a perfect number. When you see the example, you will understand. Example 6. 6 is a perfect number since the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. And what will be the sum of these factors? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. And what is the sum of it? That should be equal to twice, 2 times the given number. That should be equal to 2 into 6. So 2 into 6 is 12. And what is the sum here? 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. 12 is equal to 12. So therefore 6 is a perfect number. Same way 28. Check by yourself. 28 also a perfect number. Find out the factors and add it and see. And your task is, given task will be, find out 5 more perfect numbers. Find out 5 more perfect numbers in your rough copy. Thank you.